What's going on, Octane fans? It's Sunday Fun Day, and we've got Project F100 back in the shop. Today, we're going to put this Crown Vic subframe underneath the front of our F100. But first, let's go check out the goodies we got for this thing. Well, before we actually decided to fully pull the trigger on this swap, we had to do our research. So we can't thank our good buddy Loopy enough, who gathered all that material together after watching hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos and things online. We gathered up the basic information we thought we were going to need, and we started ordering parts. Anyways, the first things first is our pivot pin, our center alignment pin alignment tool. Called our buddies at Andrew Tuning and Performance, and we got these special little 3D printed tools that are help us going to drill those holes in the right place. Next, we needed to box the frame, and we needed some mounts, and we needed some bolts. So our guys over at Gateway Performance Suspension had this entire kit for us ready to go. They sent it to us. It uses factory tubes, factory bolts. It's going to put this thing in the right spot and ensure that it doesn't move. Lastly, we needed motor mounts to put this 408 stroker in that subframe. So we called Ritchie Classic Truck. They had these things sitting on the shelf. Boom, they got them out to us next day, and here we are. We got the parts. Let's get this thing cut out and get that crossmember installed. So getting this old cross member out of this F100 is going to be a little bit more of a chore than what we thought. It's not too difficult, but all these forged in rivets are just extremely stubborn. So we've got to take them piece by piece. We tried cutting the heads off. That didn't work. Don't want to spend the time drilling them out. That may be the best option. But right now we're just blowing the caps off with the plasma cutter, and they seem to be coming off. So we've got to get this side the rest of the way off, that side the rest of the way off, clean up some of the welds on the inside, and we'll start going in with the rest. Getting cluttered, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. so we've already got the right-hand side of the frame prepped. It's smooth, it's cleaned up. It's taken a little bit more time than what we thought, but we're gonna keep on keeping on, get the driver's side of the frame clean, and then get ready to drill our holes. So now that we've got the frame most of the way clean, all the rivets are removed that we need to remove, we need to go ahead and locate the subframe so we can clamp it in and get all the other holes drilled. So come check this out. Come check out this kit we found. We found this 3D printed kit from F100 Performance, Andrew's Performance and Tuning, or ATP Designs. This is a 3D printed kit with words on it, cut and dry, super simple tool. Use some of the factory holes, insert a steel bushing into another hole, drill right there. Basic, and it's gonna be perfect. So come check out how we install this. Now, we're gonna start on the driver's side. We need to make sure the D is towards the front, this is towards the motor like it says, and the bushing is in the D hole, and it's marked with the D. So that's where we're gonna go, and that's the first hole we're gonna drill. So let's just get this clamped in. Now, these are the two factory holes that we're gonna use inside this frame. We're gonna insert this little tool perfectly in the holes, find some clamps, clamp it in place, and boom, our drill hole is located. Boom, so easy as that. 1/4 inch drill bit through their 1/4 inch bushing. Simple as that. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Just remember, when you move to the passenger side, put the bushing in the P hole. So on the driver's side, we put the bushing in the D hole. Now we're gonna take it out of the D hole and put it in the P hole. Oh yeah! Boom, there we go. Engine side, F side to the front side, in the P hole. So now that we got the P hole and the D hole started, we're gonna go ahead and waller them out. Be sure to wear your PPE. It gets hot in there. And we're stepping this hole size up to 3/4 of an inch. Now we're gonna clean it up. See if it fits. So what we just noticed is that these inner tabs here have to come off. So we're just gonna fire up the plasma cutter, zip them back real quick, not make it too pretty. We'll finish that later when we box the thing out. We just need to get her to fit and we can keep on keeping on. So let's fire it up. What a day. So we're just now getting completed with mocking up our subframe. It's in, the holes are in the right spot. It's a perfect fit. Couldn't complain. We'll come back next time and get all the boxes in.